other video ad networks to consider. Boosting revenues, acquiring more sales, and increasing the number of potential customers are difficult to do, whether you are a neophyte or an expert business owner. However, you can have a hassle-free experience when you use video ad networks. You'll be able to achieve all your goals and be a successful entrepreneur and marketer in the near future. They can also help reduce the burden that can lead to more amazing results. Below are some video ad networks for you to consider. Undertone. This video ad network is one of the leaders in providing effective and efficient solutions for any brand or business. It can help provide a lasting impression among your target customers that can result to more sales and revenue. Advertising.com. This is one of the perfect solutions when you need to reach your audience in a variety of formats. Within a short period of time, you can witness great website traffic that can make you happier. Spot Exchange. Spot Exchange is one of the trusted video marketing platforms for broadcasters, publishers, and business owners. You can achieve amazing outcomes when you use it. Vidopia. Unlike other video ad networks, Vidopia is known for its consistency, which means it markets your video campaign on quality apps and sites quickly and easily. Say Media. Say Media has created a new and modern publishing system that innovates the way people belong to the world of business. Indeed, a grand success is truly attainable. Collective. This video ad network empowers a variety of enterprises with expertise and technology that unify digital marketing across different systems, formats, and screens. It also has relevant solutions to your goals. Microsoft Advertising. Microsoft Advertising is one of the top video ad network choices of marketers and entrepreneurs. It is considered a great tool to achieve more business operations and a higher return on investment.